Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Debbie. Have you subscribed already? If you are yet to subscribe, please ensure you do and turn on the notification bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. For this particular tutorial, let's get started. Alright guys, this is my pattern paper and this line is my guideline. I just came in by half an inch and I ruled the line. So my total length is 46 inches and for my off shoulder I decided to remove 5 inches. So here I'm measuring my armhole depth, which is 9.5 inches. So right now from this very point to the chest line, this particular line is 9.5, okay? And of course I deducted 5 inches as my off shoulder, and for my off shoulder I have 4.5. So my waistline is also being included. Okay, so on this line I'm going to be measuring 6 inches. Okay, now for you could measure 5 inches. Because I'm a plus size, I decided to measure 6 inches. All right, now on this line I'm going to add 2 inches to my round bust measurements and divide it by 4. So for the waistline, round waist measurement plus 4 inches divided by 4. And for the hemline as well, I think, yeah, I have round hip plus 4 inches divided by 4, and once you get that value you add 3 inches to it. Okay, this measurement you will place on your hem line. I hope you understand. This style does not need zipper allowance, and that's why I'm adding enough allowance to it so that I'll be able to wear it, comfortably. Okay, so right now I've marked my, I've inserted my measurement and marked, so I'm connecting the point together. So can you see what I have? So on this line I'm going to go up by 2 inches. You can go up by 1.5 if you like, but for me 2 inches is fine. Okay, so I've connected it to the center front. Now this pattern is basically for my front and the back. So here I'm going to be cutting 2 unfolds. One will represent my front and the other will represent my back. This part is a bit pointed, and I'm trying to make it as natural as possible. Okay, so there should be a kind of smooth curve, smooth transition from the chest line to that other line. Okay, so right now this is what I have. So now I'll be connecting it with my curve, the armhole curve. And mind you, please don't add seam allowance to your off shoulder, this part, this armhole curve. I added to mine, but I'm just telling you not to do that when you are doing your own. Okay, so I've connected it. This is my armhole curve. Can you see? So this is what I have, and I'll be like I said, using the same pattern for both my front and my back. I hope you understand my points. All right, so this particular side is going to be my neckline. Here I added half an inch seam allowance, but I shouldn't have, so then on the side I added half an inch allowance. Can you see? So I added half an inch allowance to the side and also to the armhole curve, but please don't do that on your own. Don't add seam allowance. Then here I'm going to be measuring 5 inches from my waistline down as my pockets. Okay, so and that's where I'm going to be fixing my pocket. So this is my final pattern and I'll be cutting it out. Now I'll be moving over, as you can see, to my sleeve. This is a very simple sleeve and it's going to have a little gathers. I'm going to be adding little elastic to that. Okay, so here I have my desired length. Here is going to rest on my shoulder. So and I have my round shoulder. Using this measurement, this is 6 inches already, and to calculate what the measurement I'm going to include or insert on my sleeve, I will need to do a little calculation. Okay, so right now for the chest, for the neckline here, of course it's 6 inches are inserted, so 6 inches on fold is going to give me 12. Then 12 for my front and back, that means 12 times 2 to give me 24. Now my round shoulder measurement is 45, and 24 minus, or 45 minus 24 will give me 21. Okay, and this 21 I'm going to be dividing it by 4. I hope you understand. I will divide by 4 because I have 2 sleeves. So, and it will give me 5.25. So I'm going to be inserting 5.25, okay, on my sleeve. I hope you understand. And like I said, concerning my bicep line, from my neck on the bodies to the chest line is 4.5 because I removed 5 inches from 9.5. So I just inserted 4.5 as my bicep, my cap height here. So now I'm going to be inserting 5.25. I hope you understand, the way I did my calculation. Okay, so right now here I'm going to minus 1 inch from 9.5, which is 8.5. So this is what I'll be inserting on the bicep line. Okay, so you can do that. Maybe you can just calculate round bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5 and insert it here on this line. This is the bicep line. Okay, so right now I'm going to be connecting the points together. So here I will insert the same measurement or reduce it a little, though I altered it, after drawing this line. I altered a bit about 2 or 3 times. I want a kind of loose sleeve, so I want it to be a bit loose, and that's why I'm not considering any particular measurements on the hemline of the sleeve. Now for this side, I need to ensure the armhole curve on the sleeve conforms with the armhole curve on the bodies, okay, on the main body. So now I'm going to be just placing it on it, just to ensure that they are both the same, so that by the time I'm joining the two, it won't give me any issue. It will just rhyme up, and blend in that way. So now I'm going to go by the armhole curve line that I have on my bodies. Okay, so can you see what I'm doing? And this will also extend my bicep line outward. Can you see? So there's a kind of a little addition there, about 2 inches or so. So what I did is just to ensure I have the same measurement on the two lines, the hemline and the bicep line. Okay. So now I'm cutting it out. So now I have my off-shoulder sleeve. It's as simple as that. Please, if you have any question, let me know. Now it's time for me to draw a pattern for my pockets. Very, very simple. Just place your hand this way and just, curve it and let your creativity guide you. So this is what I have. Can you see? It's as simple as that. So this is my pocket pattern. It is very, very simple. So right now I'll be sewing, joining the fabrics, joining the pieces together once I finish cutting in the next video. So please ensure you stay tuned for that. And if you have any question, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions, but don't worry, just drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be so glad. I'll create enough time to answer those questions. All right, thank you so much for watching, and ensure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.